Hi guys, today I show you how to hack Telolet bus driver 3D. First I will open it, then I will show you how I am. See, it's if I have to open a bus like I would say, it's by this yes. It's it is 30. Yes. Then just take that. Now I show you how to hack it by Lucky Patcher. You know my Lucky Patcher is so good. I like it. See, I opened it and search it. Where is this? Menu of patches. Create modifier of file. Applicable and in elevation. Reveal app. And wait for some time. See, I will pause the video for a while if you can't go. It's looking also like that. If you open it and open menu patches and create modify, and third option when it's checking, please wait. If you touch here, then it's like it's show like that. You don't touch anywhere, only you have to touch open menu patches, modification files, epic rebuild and evolution, rebuild app. You can wait, so I will pause the video. Yeah guys, when it done, success, failed, go to file, Telolet bus driving, uninstall and install. Yes, okay. Install. It's time. Here guys, application will install. If you done it, if you open it, I won't open. Yes, you see, as like. One thing also. No, I don't want. Yeah, one thing also you will remember. Don't you always open this language. Okay, this game is okay. Now I want this bus now. Yes. It's okay. Yes. Now you see, auto repeat symbols in that game. Yes. See, it's happening. I got it, sir. Yes. See, it's upgraded. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please like it and please subscribe. Please, thank you. Bye.